In our first example, we want to interpret the transformations for this exponential function. Let's zoom in a little bit here. First off, we want to see if there's a vertical stretch or compression. This corresponds to the a value. The a value would normally be positioned right over here. Since there is no a value, that means there is no vertical stretch or compression. And since the a value is also related to whether or not there's a reflection in the x-axis, that also means there is no reflection in the x-axis. Next, we want to see if there's a horizontal stretch or compression. This corresponds to the k value. The k value is right over here. Normally, that would be positioned here, right in front of the variable of x. But since there is no k value, that means there is no horizontal stretch or compression, and since the reflection in the y-axis also is related to the k value, that means there is no reflection in the y-axis. Next up, we want to see if there's a translation upwards or downwards. The c value would be positioned over here. And as you can see, this is the c value. It is positive 2, which means it is going to be moved upwards by 2 units. And last but not least, we want to see if there's a translation left or right. This corresponds to the d value. The d value is over here, and it is usually positioned directly beside the variable of x. And since there is no d value, that means there is no translation left or right. So we can say that this exponential function has